I like to put it on and go, all right? And just make my lips look just ooey gooey. Oh, girl. Because I'm just obsessed. I can't help it. I have an issue. And I need to stop. But I can't. Hey everyone, it's Madi, and it's been a minute since I filmed a video. I am now wrapping up the last 2 weeks of the school year. We've been busting our butts, working hard, trying to get these kids through graduation and just submitting assignments after assignments. It's been very stressful, but the countdown is already here. It's almost over, and I can't wait to be done with these Zoom meetings. Today, I'm going to share with you guys all those products that I have. I have lip glosses, I have lip balms, I have sleeping masks. I have it all from drugstore to high-end. I have something to suit just about everybody, all your needs. I have clean, I have your local beauty supply store, scented, unscented, shimmery, no shimmery. I mean, I just have it all because I'm just obsessed. I can't help it. I have an issue and I need to stop, but I can't. But y'all understand. Y'all understand how it is. So, and at the end of the day, if none of that works, I just use regular old Vaseline or A&D ointment. I suffer from really, really chronically dry lips, okay? I also have like a eczema patch on my lip that flares up now and then, especially depending on what products I use, or if I use like a lip liner too much or whatever. If the product just don't like my lip, it's just gonna get irritated and like rough. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get into my favorite lip products.
All right, Monanita, so the first color I have is Gingersnap number BLG17. This is an NYX product. This is their butter gloss line. Everybody has had one of these butter glosses sometime or another. I love this. This is like my perfect lip color with a liner in a tube. Now the second color that I have is Praline BLG16. This is my actual lip color in a tube. I got mine from Walmart, but you can get it from Ulta, Target, as well as Amazon. I've done that before. Now moving on to our Bad and Bougie, I have Fenty Beauty. This is in the color Vincent Glow. This is one of the first ones she came out with. It's her Universal Balm lip gloss. This is like a peachy with a little bit of shimmer. It looks good on another lip product or just by itself, which is what I normally do. Now surprisingly, the Diamond Milk actually looks nice on me. I don't normally wear any kind of silver white makeup because it just doesn't complement my skin, but this one right here is perfect. I just love the way it feels. I love the way it looks, and if I'm doing like a cool tone or just a natural makeup look, I definitely gear towards this, and I will use like a silver based highlighter as well. So the next product that I have to talk to you guys about is the MAC Cosmetics. This is in the color Heroin. At one point or another, everybody had the lipstick or the lip liner, or you had the gloss, or just a combination of all three. I love this color. It is like the perfect pink with a blue undertone. However, it can be a little sticky and it can create that white line that some lip products have. So because of that, I don't wear it as often, but as a quick fix, I just put like a Blistex or a Carmex underneath, which would kind of dilute the stickiness, and so I can still get away with wearing it. Now my all-time favorite lip gloss from MAC is the LIPGLASS. This is in the color Bittersweet Me. This is like my high-end version of Gingersnap. This is my lip color with a liner in a tube. I love it. I can't tell you guys how many tubes of this stuff I have in my stash. I have back to MAC so many times. Every time I go to MAC, I buy at least 2 or 3. I have no shame because I'm like, I know how MAC is. It'll disappear because that's how much I just love the product. So if anything, I do advise you to try that one. So this next product that I have to share with you guys is the Milani Brilliant Shine Lip Gloss. This first color is Ravish Raspberry number 6. This is my perfect pink lip gloss. It's affordable. I got mine from Walgreens. It has like a blue undertone, and I really do like how it complements my skin tone. However, my all-time absolute favorite is this color called Berry Tempting number 5. This is like a diluted version of Heroin. This color is just everything. I love it. These colors are not sticky and they're very, very buttery. Now moving on, we're going to take it back to the 80s, to that old school 90s. We have like a jelly gloss in a squeezy tube. What can be more satisfying than a bubblegum flavored lip gloss? This is my most shiny kind of gel-like gloss that I own, and I got this off of Amazon. However, you can get it from a local beauty supply store.
Alright, so these products that we're going to focus on now is like your lip mask and your lip balms. I normally use these ones at nighttime or like early morning, or if I don't have on any kind of makeup and I just want to put something on my lips because it needs it and they're crusty. These are those products that I use. So all of these products were from Sephora because I feel like those have been the best. I haven't found a really good drugstore one. I feel like they're more greasy than they are soothing. So here we go.
So the first contender in our lip balm section is the Honest Beauty. This is a Magic Beauty Balm. You can use this on your lips, your cheeks, or your eyelids if you want that glossy eyelid look. You can also get this in a stick form, like a cocoa butter stick form. I like to warm it up before applying it because it just works better. It's easier, and it has like a greasy feeling. It's not my favorite, but it gets the job done. So this next product that I have is recently new. I got this during the spring Sephora sale. This is the LANEIGE Lip Glowy Balm in the flavor Pear. I love everything about this product. I love the squeezy tube. I love the jelly applicator. And the product is velvety smooth. It hydrates my lips and it helps ease away that dryness that I suffer from. Now these next two products is also new. This is the Fresh Sugar Hydrating Lip Balm. I have two flavors. I have peach. I have watermelon. They also have caramel, lemon, and I think blood orange. We just talk about how convenient the packaging is. You can easily slip this in your front or back pocket without having to feel uncomfortable. Everything about it is amazing. Now moving on to another product that you can get from Sephora. This is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. I love this product. I have purchased this at least twice. It's very, very thick. It definitely combats my dry eczema lip situation that I have. It has a little sweet taste. It has a little shimmer. I can literally wear this by itself and feel like my whole makeup look is put together. This is an amazing product. So finally, the last product I have to share with you guys is the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. I have two flavors right now. I have the apple lime and I have sweet candy. These products come with a little jelly applicator to help you apply the product and get it out of the jar because it is a pretty dense little jar. You get a lot of product. I got mine during the Sephora spring sale. I cannot say anything bad about these products. I feel like some people think they're overrated, and then you have other people like me who just live by it. I highly, highly recommend trying it.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I inspired you to go ahead and pick up a gloss. Maybe you have a gloss that you left in your vanity or on your dresser. Go ahead, pick it up, put it on, and see how it just transforms you into this whole nother being. Go ahead and start articulating in words. Be extra, do the most, okay? Because we're living our bestest life here in quarantine. And I appreciate the support. Don't forget to thumbs this video up. Leave your comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.